Imagine this, a pungent blend of onions, cheese, and, wait, was that wet goat? Most of us don't need more than a single whiff to recognize it, that unmistakable scent we call body odor. But here's the twist. What seems like a simple, stinky nuisance is actually the result of a surprisingly complex biological story, one shaped by our genes, our diets, our emotions, and even the microscopic creatures that live on our skin. So where does this odor really come from? And why do some people smell stronger than others? Let's dive in. To make body odor, you only need two key ingredients: your armpits' secretions and the bacteria that feed on them. Most people think sweat is the culprit, and it is, sort of, but sweat itself isn't smelly at all. Your body has two main types of sweat glands. The first, eccrine glands, are everywhere and mostly release water and salt, harmless. The second, apocrine glands, kick in during puberty. They live in your armpits and a few other places, and their sweat is loaded with proteins and fats, prime food for bacteria. And this is where the plot thickens. Each square centimeter of your skin is home to thousands of bacteria. But your armpits? They're a microbial metropolis, with nearly 1 million bacteria per square centimeter. Among them are Corynebacteria, Staphylococcus, and Micrococcus. These little chemists feast on your sweat's proteins and fats and transform them into potent odor molecules. Some of the worst offenders? Sulfur compounds, which give off that sharp, oniony sting, and carboxylic acids, adding their cheesy notes to the mix. Together, they rise from your skin and head straight for your nose, where specialized receptors can detect them at concentrations as tiny as 1 in 1,000,000. So why do some people smell stronger than others? It's partly in your genes. The exact mix of compounds your sweat produces depends on your DNA. In fact, some people, especially those with certain East Asian genetic variants, barely produce body odor at all. Meanwhile, stress can make things worse. When adrenaline surges, it boosts apocrine sweat, intensifying the smell. Diet plays a small role too, and of course, your unique bacterial population can make all the difference. But what can we do about it? Soap and water help, but they won't banish all the bacteria. Many live deep in the skin. That's where deodorants come in, masking the smell and slowing bacterial activity. Antiperspirants go further, plugging sweat glands to reduce moisture altogether. Still, there's a mystery here. Why does our brain interpret these odors as unpleasant? Some scientists think body odor might once have played a social role, helping to signal health, stress, or even attraction. In other words, our smell